Abby stole my chips to make friends with the seagulls. Now we're under attack.
Relax. I'm just making new friends. They'll remember me and probably attack romance later.
These two can't swim, so they decided to prepare for the worst-case scenario.
Yeah. Too bad the security guards didn't get it. They almost threw us overboard.
They think I'm unstable. We'll see who's laughing last.
Meanwhile...
Smile, bro! We're almost on time.
Almost? The ship leaves in 5 minutes.
He's taking his fish tank on a cruise. Because why not drown together, right?
A few moments later...
Baby stole a cello from the orchestra. Don't ask why. I've stopped questioning his choices.
If the ship sinks, someone's gotta play soda pop. I'm doing this for history.
Meanwhile...
This ship, everyone's meal says something about their personality.
There's endless free food here. How could I not order a burger this big?
I've already exceeded my calories today. 5 Ps is my limit, or I'll grow a giant belly that'll tear through my shirts.
I did it! I finally made it onto the ship. And look who decided to come with me. I guess I'm already making new friends. Also, now I'm in the mood for seafood.
1 hour later...
Rumi wanted to...
Guys, I've never seen so much food in my life. Look at this. There's meat everywhere.
Yeah, Abby, it's all yours. Just please, try to act civilized. You're not at home.
A few moments later...
Rumi really wanted to take a bath, but instead, we got this giant barrel of regrets.
Why did we even agree to this trip? Apparently, only the guys are having fun on this ship.
Meanwhile...
Baby, your ice cream's melting all over your towel.
So what? Relax, I'll lick it off later.
Bro, you're turning your towel into a smoothie.
Abby decided the best way to enjoy the buffet was to take it to his cabin.
Breakfast in bed. He just forgot the plate part.
Doesn't matter. It's my blanket now.
1 day later...
By this point, 5 ping pong balls had already gone overboard. Mystery, what the hell? Why did you steal eggs from the restaurant?
I thought they were hard-boiled. Those kind of eggs would have been perfect for our game.
We're at the spa. Abby's in a mud bath. At least I hope it's mud.
Hey, it's mud. I think it's mud.
You sure? You look like you're hiding something.
Look, maybe the 8th chicken leg was a mistake, but it's still mud, okay?
1 hour later...
Let's go, Abby. Give us that confidence. Give us that... Oh God. The ship's new fashion line. Ode to Mud.
A few moments later...
The good news? Abby enjoyed the spa. The bad news? The captain didn't.
You're going to scrub every bit of that mud off the ship! The passengers think the ship's sewage system broke down!
Do I at least get a uniform?
I left the helm for 10 minutes! All because of that muddy guy! 10 minutes! Please tell me everything's fine!
Meanwhile...
The captain was...
Baby, what are you doing? Please tell me you didn't touch anything.
There are so many screws here. I started collecting them. You never know when you'll need a few at home.
Wait, where exactly did you get those screws?
A few moments later...
Do you
Mystery said he wanted to save time, so he's washing the floor and his hair at the same time. He calls it multitasking. At least he's not using his hair as a mop.
A few moments later...
Oh god, it's not. I'm not screaming anymore. Oh, so we're going to club corners. That's what it says. Yep.
We need to escape. We need to escape before it sinks. Look down, follow me.
Help makes us feel
It's gonna crack. Under the covers. It will lights out.
I don't know where I'm going here, but I've never went to school before.
Open the door. Open the door.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Open it.
Wait, hold on. We got something to open.
Let's get through here. I'm gonna try not die. This is the last time I died when I was testing that out. It's just game. Whoa. I'm getting spammed. Not 1 sec. This one not open. This door's not open, man.
It's opening.
Yeah, okay, for you.
Go to the school.
Epic, we need your help.
Let's take as well. No, this is taking too long. We're all gonna die here. How far is the water? I'm pretty sure I saw water coming. Oh my god. We're doomed. Belly is right, we're doomed. Alright, come on. Also, check out TikTok again. Always check out TikTok. TikTok's class. And class on TikTok. You got my friends on. I've got my editor. Shout out to Andrew. He's my editor. He edits on the. He posts his edits on the TikTok. But all the stuff that isn't edits, I post. Yeah. So all the stuff that isn't edits, I post, yeah. So go check out the TikTok / look. God. I'm pretty sure this will like disappear in the water. What? Right, okay, alright. Still written down. Right. We're pushing 22 minutes now. Right, come on, let's do it. Come on, let's do it. Oh, yeah, I know. This is the... Wait a minute. Right. Right, guys. That's it for today.
The guys took the lifeboats, except Romance. We didn't wait for him. He was in the bathroom.
Yeah, I'm sure he's fine. Probably flirting with a seagull right now.
If he survived, he'll find us, or we'll find his hair floating first.
Meanwhile...
Huh? Good thing the bathroom was nearby when the ship went down. That's how I got myself one paddle.
We finally caught some fish!
Yeah, and then our little buddy here ate them all.
He didn't even share.
Let's just hide him from Abby. I don't trust that guy around snacks or wildlife.
A few moments later.
Well, look who finally made it. Romance survived.
All right, hero. Go check out that cave. Maybe you'll find something useful for survival.
Don't worry. I'm already handling huge challenges on my way.
1 hour later.
We've gathered everything we could find. Time to make fire for marshmallows.
This is the dumbest idea ever.
If this fire doesn't work, at least we'll have a nice melted sculpture.
Meanwhile...
Survival is cool and all, but discipline comes first. Training keeps me warm. I even threw away my fur coat. I'm strong in body and spirit.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
Mr. I don't need a fur coat. Final form. Bro said he's immune to cold. Now he's fighting for his life. Beaten by snow. Natural selection hits hard.
Meanwhile...
On my way to save the girls. Flying in on a blimp. Classy, I know. Hope they're safe and warm. The guys, well, they had a good run.
1 hour later.
This is Bobby. Let's go, hurry up. We're saved.
They said, take something useful for survival. So I brought a cactus. It's low maintenance, like me.
Man, out of all the guys, why did I get you as my survival partner?
Don't worry. If we get thirsty, I'll make cactus juice.
Meanwhile...
Guys! Bobby finally came to rescue us! But his airship didn't survive the trip.
Good news! I found you guys! Bad news, we're not seeing civilization anytime soon.
So, we're staying?
Yeah, forever, apparently.